We all know that AI is changing the game. Whether you are into graphic design, video production, or animation, with the right tools, you can seriously level up your workflow and content quality. But here's the catch. A lot of these AI tools, they either hit you with a payment requirement right after you register, or they give you very limited access to their platforms unless you make payments. Does that sound familiar? Well, I've done the research for you, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing the best free AI tools that you can start using right away without making payments. Most of these AI platforms, they give you a limited amount of credit once you register for you to generate your design. Now make sure you watch to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can generate over 1 billion free credit on one of the platforms that I'm going to be talking about. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. So, are you ready? The first tool is called PicWish, which is an AI-powered photo editing tool that offers features like automatic background removal, image enhancer, photo colorization, and AI background generation. It is designed to be user-friendly, which means it does not require advanced skills, and it is available as a free online editor. And it has a mobile app for tasks like unblurring images and refining designs. Now you head over to the website and just register with your email. Once you register, it brings you to the home page where you have features like Product Studio, the top AI tools. You also have other editing tools. So you can go ahead and explore the features that you want to make use of. It has enhanced photo feature. You can remove background, even watermarks on image. You can remove it with this platform. You can also design AI art generation. You can also remove objects from an image and so much more. So you can go ahead and register on the platform and explore a lot of features that the platform offers. Now the next platform is called Krea.ai. It is a powerful and easy to use tool that helps you create high quality images. Whether you need a logo, an artwork, or a custom design, this platform can help you generate such images very fast. So you just describe the image that you want in plain words, and this platform helps you to generate high quality image of what you have described. It offers ready-made styles and gives you option to adjust images to fit the visuals that you want. Now, just like the first platform that we checked out, you just register on this platform also with your mail address, and it brings you to the home page where you see a varieties of options. A lot of high quality image that you can adjust, you can tweak. A lot of high quality image that you can adjust to fit the visuals that you're looking for. So these are tons of options that this site offers. Image generation can also enhance your image. You can create video. So if I click on this video, it brings me here and you can see I can describe a video that I want. I'll just type it in and I click on generate, and it generates the image it generates the video based on the prompt that I provide to the system. I can also enhance my image here, and I can generate a new image from this aspect of the website. So I just describe the image that I want and I can click on generate, and the platform generates a high quality image of that which I want. Now the next is called Relume.io. It is an AI tool that helps you to design websites faster and easier without building the website from scratch. It gives you a ready to use layout and blueprint for your site. You just describe what you want, and this site will help you create the structure, which involves the look and the layout, so you can just focus on the content. This site is great for developers and designers who want to save time and also design websites that are great on phone, tablets, and computers. And you just go to the website and register with your mail, completely free, and it brings you to the home page. You see it's websites designed and built faster with AI. And you can see right over here, just describe a company in a sentence or two and it can generate the website for you. So if you're a business owner, you can go ahead and describe what your company is all about, and this site will design their website for you. Once you generate, it creates a site map which outlines your web pages and the rest. Also wireframe and the style guide. So all you just need to do is to give it the prompt of what you want your website to look like. and it's going to generate it automatically for you. It's also easy to integrate this site with Figma and other web design platforms. Now the next tool is called Fliki.ai. It is super helpful for content creators. It takes your ideas and your script and turn it into polished videos with realistic voiceover. All you need to do is just type in what you want to say, and Fliki.ai takes care of the rest, saving you hours of editing. It is perfect for making explainer videos, for making reels, and also corporate presentations without any advanced video editing skills. All you just have to do is register on the site, and it brings you to the home page where you get access to the video section, also the audio section and design section. In that video section, all you just need to do is provide your prompt, and it transforms your idea into stunning videos. Also, it can transform your scripts to videos also. You can also record and edit. This section is for presentation. If you have corporate presentation that you want to make, you can do everything on this Fliki.ai. And also audio. It does a lot of things, so you can go ahead and check out the templates, the voiceover. It gives realistic voiceover that you can add to your presentation. Now you can also check out the template section, which gives you several templates that you can edit to suit the style of your video, like this news section, corporate presentation, and so much more. All you just need to do is provide the scripts, and this platform will transform it into the video with realistic voiceovers. You can go ahead and register and just check it out. Create the design that suits you. Now, another tool that is similar to Fliki.ai is this next tool called Heygen.ai. It is a powerful video creation tool that helps content creators to produce professional looking videos without the use of a microphone or even a camera. It's similar to Fliki.ai. You can choose from a variety of avatars that stands as the on-screen presenters, and you can also adjust the voiceover, change it either a male voice or a female voice. And you can also switch between multiple languages, which makes your videos to reach a global audience. Now, whether you are creating YouTube content or you are doing a corporate presentation or an explainer video, this site saves you a lot of time that you could have used to record or edit the video. All you just need to do is to write the script, and Heygen.ai will transform it into a polished video. Now, as always, you register on the platform with your email, and it brings you to this home page where you have tons of options like photos to videos avatar. It also has an AI studio where you can record and create a whole lot of things. Also presentation, you can convert a presentation to a video, create instance avatar. You can see right here that it also has templates that you can use. You can adjust the template to fit the style of video that you're making. Whether it's a professional service, the AI avatar will read out the script that you feed to it. Whatever you want, a company profile, anything, it has different templates that you can adjust to fit what you want. Now let me show you a video that I created using this platform.
In addition to content creation, we partner with businesses to design and execute targeted digital marketing campaigns that leverage the power of intelligence and data-driven insights. Our digital marketing expertise complements our content creation.
It also has this avatar section where you can select the on-screen presenter that is going to present the scripts. They are different. It has either a male or a female. You can pick anyone. Now the next tool is a very popular AI that almost everyone uses. It's ChatGPT, which can help creators with all kinds of tasks. You can think of ChatGPT as your creative assistant that works with you 24/7. So whether you need help writing a script, generating ideas, replying to comments, and also creating visual design, ChatGPT can help you do that. It is very useful for brainstorming, for speeding up your workflow, and also breaking through creative blocks that you may encounter as a creator. Now there are different models available for ChatGPT. There is the GPT 3.5, which is a free version that almost everyone uses. Now there is a higher model, which is the GPT-4. This is the pro version that is available for ChatGPT subscription. Now this model is smarter, it's more accurate, and able to understand a more complex instruction. Now let me show you how to get ChatGPT Pro for free. Just head over to this website and register with your name, email, phone number and password. Now when you successfully log in, it tells you click here to activate. This is ChatGPT Pro. Goes to the official website and it gives you an email and password that you can use. So just go to ChatGPT and sign in with this email and password. And it can also send the verification code. So once it sends verification code, you just click here to get the code. So this site gives you access to ChatGPT Pro. It also gives you access to Canva. This right here is Canva Pro. So you just head over to Canva and log in with the email and the password that they give you. But for this video, we are just going to be using ChatGPT Pro. So you just head over to the website and log in with the email and the password. Now I've logged in with my email and password, and you can see right here that I have access to ChatGPT, the GPT 4.5. This is an advanced model. It is higher than the free version of ChatGPT that other people uses. So this one is more accurate and it understands more complex instruction. So you can see it here, GPT 4.5. And go ahead and describe. Like click on this prompt, I need a creative idea, and you can see it's working. Generates a lot of things like that. Now the next tool is called Leonardo AI. It's a creative tool that helps content creators, artists, and also game developers to come up with realistic looking images and videos. You just type in what you want, like a scene, a character, or a concept. And Leonardo AI will quickly generate great looking images and videos. So whether you are creating an artwork for a video, or just coming up with stunning design, or you just want to bring your ideas to life, this AI tool makes the process very easy and efficient.
Now when you register on Leonardo AI, it brings you to this home page where you have tons of options to choose from. You can generate a video, generate an image also upscale. There are different options right here. This is the community creation. These are the creations of other people, what they have generated. And one thing about this AI is that you can actually see the prompts that they used to generate the image. It's right over here, and you can remix it and create your own version of the image. For example, I see this image right now. It says of an elderly grandma. So I can tweak this prompt to maybe a young man or a young woman, and it creates the same design but with a different person. And right here you can see that I'm giving 150 credits. That's what comes with the free plan. It shows fast token of 150. So my image generation or video generation will be based on the credits that I have. Just take note, the free plan has 150 credits. Now if you're an Android user, just go to this app and open it. I'll leave the link in the description so you can download the app. So you just download the app and log in with your account, just the same account that you used to register. Just cancel this and it brings you to the main app, Leonardo AI app. But one thing about this app is that it has this over 1 billion credits that you can use. If you notice, by registering on the free plan, it gives you just 150 credits. But on this app, you can get over 1 billion credits for your image generation. You can go ahead and generate as many image or video as you want, because this subscription is a fast token. Over 1,717,987,069 credits that I have. So the image generation, I can go on and on. So you can see it right there. All you just need to do is to download the app in the description. Now in this video, we covered 7 AI tools and there are so much more. But I don't want to make this video too long. So for that reason, I'll be creating a second part of this video. So if you are new here, do well to subscribe so you'll be notified when the second part of this video comes out. Now, if this video helped you in any shape or form, I will appreciate if you can hit the like button. It truly helps. And remember, all the links to the sites that we talked about in this video will be in the description. So do well to check it out. On this channel, I'm committed to creating videos on cutting-edge AI and tech innovation. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. If you are new here,
acknowledge me.
No, just subscribe.